Hey, what's going on, guys? Back at it again with another video. In today's video, we're going to be trading price action using technical analysis. I'm going to be showing you guys the mindset that you should have when you're trading price action, what you should be looking for in the market. Okay. For newer traders, I will be dropping tutorial videos soon on how to trade price action, use technical analysis, drawing support, resistance, and trend lines, patterns like the flag pattern, wedge, head and shoulder patterns. I'm going to break that down. Candlestick confirmation. I'm going to be breaking all those things down. So if you're interested in that, please like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when those videos come out. If you're more of an experienced trader, I'm going to be dropping some indicator strategies that you may use. I'm going to be dropping some more price action strategies that you might be interested in. You can make some profit off of that. So because as a trader, you want to keep learning, you want to keep evolving your trading because the market's always changing. All right, guys. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Right now, we're on the USDJPY. We're just going to market replay this and see what we can do in the market with price action. I'm not going to go too far. There's no point going too far. All right, here is fine. Let's just trade it here. Normally, I don't trade USDJPY. I usually stick to GU and gold just because, you know, it moves better for me. The profits look a lot better for me. When I was a new trader, I always started with USDJPY. That was the currency I started with, and it did make me money in the market. But then, you know what? When you get years into Forex, you start to move up the level and you start trading like more high volatile markets and to get more profits. Okay, but just for now, I wanted to use USDJPY for price action. So as of right now, we're on market replay mode. I'm looking at the market right now. I'm not really too interested in drawing any daily zones or anything like that. Let's go ahead and see. Actually, let me draw this because I like this little trend line right here that's happening. Is this a channel? Hold on, let me see here. Oh yeah, yep, definitely a channel right here going on. All right, even though we had this little break here, all right, the market hit this and then it pushed up and then it pushed back down. Usually it does that a lot. Market usually uses a lot of false breakouts. Okay, and it's probably resisting on this monthly trend line right here on the downtrend. Okay, so ideally what we want to look for is we want to get back into this zone to look for a trade right here, because we are in a bearish market. So we definitely want to think sells right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop down to the 4 hour. See if we can get some nice price action trade. See if we get any patterns that we might be able to jump into the market. Like I said, I want to get back to this zone here. Market is consolidating a little bit. We don't know the direction yet, so we definitely should not be trading right in the middle of the channel. We should wait. Always wait until you get back to your zone to trade. You definitely don't want to be in the chaos. Look how choppy that is. We don't want that. All right, so now we're back in the zone. Right now, I'm just going to look for a candlestick confirmation. All right, I want to touch the zone. Okay, so we have like this flag pattern here that we can draw out. All right, it's a rising flag here. Go ahead and move this. Yeah, that's good right there. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait for a break here, and then I'm gonna get into the market. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we have a nice engulfing 1, 2, 3 engulfing pattern here right on this line. So you could get into the market as of right now, but I want to wait for confirmation. I want the market to break this rising flag pattern right here. Okay, perfect. I think that's going to be my first trade right here. So you always want to wait for confirmation, because even though the market gave you this 1, 2, 3 engulfing, the market still could have pushed up just like it did here. Okay, look at that. Ooh, that was some big momentum right there. Okay, same thing here. Sometimes the market fakes you out, so it'll break the line and then it'll come back down and stop you out. So you want to watch out for those false breakouts, and to do that, to watch out for those, is to definitely wait for confirmation. Okay, don't rush into the market, don't get aggressive and enter prematurely and then you get stopped out. All right, especially for newer traders, you want to be, you know, as safe as possible. All right, so we're going to get into the market here. So we're just going to see how many pips we can get out of USDJPY on this market replay mode. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead, enter the trade. Usually I go for 1 to 2, but depending on price, I like to read price a lot. I'll probably trail my stop loss. So let's see what happens with the market. Okay, so there's really no drawdown at all. All right, I'm waiting here. Okay, so we had this little consolidation happening right here. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of the profit just so we can focus on the price action. All right. Okay, so you guys see here we got this nice zone that the market is ranging in, this consolidation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna enter the market again. Okay, so we got our first entry here. If the market breaks the zone, I'm gonna re-enter. I'm gonna scale in my trade. Now, as a newer trader, you just want to trail your stop loss, but you know, as you learn and you develop your skill, you'll start to learn how to scale in and add your trades and add more positions in profit, and then you can increase your profits that way. All right, so let's go ahead and look at the market. Let's just, oh, okay, I'm definitely gonna get another entry here. All right, I'm gonna get another entry right here, and then this will be, I'm not gonna put stop loss yet. I'm pretty confident right now in this trade, but just in case the market does reverse, I'll put stop loss here for now. All right, and then I'm just gonna slowly scale that down. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the market. All right, small drawdown. Okay, so it's a little bit, there's another little zone here, consolidation. We already added a position, so if it breaks, then that's just gonna confirm it. All right, yep, it's going down. Market's dropping. Boom, beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and see what's going on now. Okay, so the market is making a nice little pattern. I don't know what's going on. Let's get more details. All right. Say this is a nice zone here. Let's see, maybe, yes. So this is a nice symmetrical triangle. So this is a very neutral pattern. So the market could definitely reverse here. So, but if we do break this triangle to the downside, we're gonna re-enter into the market for sure. Ooh, I thought that was gonna be a nice pattern. Okay, market did break here, but then what happened? It reversed. So I'm still keeping on to this pattern right here. Let's move it. Yeah, there we go. Looks like the market wants to just keep drawing it out. Yep. Okay, now that looks a lot better. There we go. That's the real triangle. Ooh. I'm entering again right here. As of right now, I'm definitely going to start trailing stop loss now. So we're going to put it right above the triangle here. And then let's continue this trade. Beautiful. Yes, sir. drop in. Okay, so I see a little consolidation here, so I'm gonna put this into break even. So all of my trades are guaranteed profit right now, just solely on price action. We got in on that 4-hour break on this channel, and then we got another entry on this consolidation, and then we found this nice symmetrical triangle right here. So we had 1 2 3 touches, so that was confirmed. And now we're here in the market again. Market continues to the downside. All right, so now I'm trailing stop loss here. Let's go ahead and continue. Ooh, market pushed back up a little bit. All right, this one has scared me, how the market pushed up that way, because we have this lower low, and then market created this lower high. But for me to wanting to get out this trade, I will want it to break and close below here. This lower high. This is where I will want the market to break and close. If it didn't break or even get to that zone, I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna just stay in my trade, and I'm gonna keep trailing stop loss. All right, let's go ahead and see what the market wants to do now. All right, so it wants to continue to the downside. Perfect. All right. Go ahead and start trailing stop loss now. Put that down there. Ooh, nice. All right, let's see what's going on with the market right here. Is this another triangle? I think we have another symmetric triangle going on here. Yes. All right, so we have another triangle, symmetric triangle pattern here that the market made. So again, we're gonna wait for a break here. Once the market breaks that zone, we're gonna re-enter the trade. I'm gonna add another position. All right, so I'm gonna redraw it again. All right, beautiful. That looks clean. All right. So it's starting to dense up a little bit, so we're gonna get a break soon and see how it's like getting smaller and smaller. It's gonna break in a direction soon. All right, that is the break right there. You guys see that? So I'm gonna re-enter again. I'm gonna add another position because I like this break here. All right. And there it is. Oof. Oh my goodness. And then I'm gonna move stop loss here. See if we can get some more pips out of the market. Very nice. Oh, and we got stopped out. Not too bad. This position didn't really make any profit, but that's fine. We got in with 3 other positions. So let's see how many pips we got out of this trade here. All right, so let's go down to profits. 10 pips. All right, so our first entry was here. All right, so let's just go ahead and scale in how many profits. Oh, well over 100 pips. Crazy. And all we did was trade price action on the 15-minute chart. All right. We got on the top of this daily channel, we had this little 4-hour channel. We waited for the break. We had this consolidation. We jumped to the 15-minute chart for more details. All right. We got into the zone. Market broke the zone. Add another position. All right. As we're trailing stop loss, we had a symmetrical triangle here. The market broke that. Add another position. Market continued to drop. As we're trailing stop loss, we have another triangle pattern here. Market broke and then came back in reverse, and we pretty much made over 120 pips over because we added 2 more positions, so that's even more pips to be counted. So yeah, that's pretty much a small teaser on how to trade using technical analysis and just looking at price itself. And really reading the patterns in the market as you go along. So if you want a more detailed video, on how to look for these things and exactly how to confluence trade, flip from the weekly to the daily to the 4 hour to the 15 to the 5 minute to the 1 minute, I will definitely have a more detailed video. I just wanted to, drop a video on the channel just so you guys can see like a little basic of how price action is. But I will definitely drop a more detailed video soon. So make sure you guys subscribe so you can get into that video soon. All right. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the content and you want to continue to learn how to trade price action, please subscribe. I'm going to have more indicator strategies coming soon on using EMAs, MACD, RSI indicator. I have a lot of indicators that I use for the market, and it makes profit. It's profitable. It's a profitable strategy. You can apply this on the market and you can make money off of it. And I got also price action strategies and, and how to use technical analysis to make money into the market. So if you're interested in that, subscribe to the channel so you can get more knowledge. All right. So I hope everyone, gain some knowledge. I hope this was helpful to somebody, that's really trying to trade and make money into this market. All right. So I hope everyone stays in profit. We out.